Hi guys, welcome to chapter 9. In this chapter, we'll be discussing about the alter statement, how we can rename the columns and the tables, and also about BCP, which stands for Bulk Copy Program. So using BCP, you can transfer the data from text files into a SQL server and vice versa. So let's start with the alter statement first, and let us create a table called TBM. So TBM has two columns, one is ID and the other one is name. So let's first of all run the statement. So you can press execute on top. So the statement was run successfully. So now what we need to do is we need to insert some dummy data into it. So let's put insert into TBM. So by now you should be knowing the syntax of how to insert data into a table. So we'll say 1, comma, and we'll give a name as John. So we have inserted the data into the table successfully. We didn't specify the values option, so that is why it threw an error. So, but no problem, we need to specify the values as well. So we have inserted the data into the table. So now the scenario is if we want to insert a name called Washington into this table, it will throw an error. Why? Because the maximum length that is allowed by the name column is of 7 characters. And if you try to insert more than 7 characters, it is going to throw an error. So let's try this. So we can copy the above insert statement, and instead of John, what we want to insert now is Washington. And you can count the number of alphabets in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's greater than 7. And let's see what happens when we try to insert this value into the table. You can see it has given us an error message of string or binary data would be truncated. That is because, as I told you, it has exceeded the maximum length allowed by the name column. So under this circumstance, we need to change the length of the column from 7 to higher, say 20. So for that purpose, you cannot always drop the table and recreate the table, because your table must be consisting of data. And if you drop the table, you will lose out on the data as well. So under these conditions, the alter statement comes handy. Alter is a DDL statement, that is a data definition language, unlike select, update or delete, which are DML statements. So the syntax for alter command is like this. Alter, you need to specify the table name. In our case it is TBM. Alter table name. Then you need to specify the column name. Alter column. So the column in our case is name, and we want to change it to varchar 20. So this is the syntax. First of all, the table name should come, followed by again by alter, then the name of the column and the new data type that you want the column to have. So let's check the syntax first.